everyone and welcome back on the channel. In the previous episode we did a room tour, catamaran edition, as a brand new adventure just started. For 1 week I will be sailing on a marvelous Bali 4.6 around the Aeolian Islands, and I absolutely had to show you which is going to be my new home for the next days. In this episode we are already sailing and we are about to reach an enchanting place that I will discover in a very interesting and funny way, as I will be using air body. What is air body, you might be asking? It's a battery-powered portable dive compressor that floats on the surface above you and follows along as you dive. You don't need a tank and neither a scuba diving license, and in my opinion it is really a cool machine that allows you having a lot of fun under the water, discovering marine life without needing all the scuba diving equipment. A great way to start knowing this beautiful sport. I didn't know about the existence of this machine, and as soon as I saw it on board, I started making a lot of questions about it. I was extremely curious and decided to try it and to go seeing the sources of sulfur gases from the seabed of Lisca Bianca using air body. Capitano, dove ci stiamo dirigendo?
Stiamo andando a Lisca Bianca.
Lisca Bianca.
Dove ci sono le sorgenti di gas sulfurei dal fondo del mare.
Of 2002, after an intense earthquake off the coast of Filicudi and shortly before the beginning of a new effusive activity in Stromboli, a large system of fumaroles activated between the islands of Bottaro and Lisca Bianca at the depth of around 7-10 meters. This system of fumaroles had already been present in that area in the past, as shown by the fact that the rocks of Lisca Bianca and Bottaro are covered with sublimates of sulfur and gypsum. In fact, the very name of Lisca Bianca, meaning white fish bone in Italian, comes from the fact that this rock is completely white due to the deposition of gypsum along its faces. In the fumarole field, gases live at a temperature of around 40 degrees, and unlike the fumaroles of the island of Vulcano, they have no real magmatic origin. Scientific studies are currently underway in order to verify the origin of this hydrothermal activity, which was already present in the northeastern part of the island of Panarea, on the beach of Calcara. I had no clue about this phenomena, and I'm so glad that our captain Massimo brought us here. If you enjoyed learning about this place, leave a like and share the video with your friends, as there's nothing more beautiful than sharing knowledge. In the next episode, we will reach Filicudi to do some serious scuba diving. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. See you under the water! Ciao!